Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to play 1v1 with friends in Free Fire. So guys, first thing that you will do is go over here to the store, and then from here guys, just go over here to the item, and then after that, on the items, you will have here tickets. And on the tickets, guys, you will have to buy this one in order for you to play 1v1 with your friend. So this ticket will cost you 99 gems. So guys, you have to avail this in order for us to create a custom room to play with our friend. So guys, after that, go back to the homepage and click Battle Royale over here. And from here, guys, you will have an option down below, a custom one. So from here, you will have a list of custom games. So for this video, we're gonna create a one here down below. And then from here, guys, you will have the necessary information in order for you to create your own custom game. So guys, after you are done filling up the necessary information, you can just hit confirm, and from there guys, you will now able to invite your friend in order for you guys to play 1v1. And there you go guys, that's how to play 1v1 on Free Fire. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching guys. See ya!